कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वविकर्मणि।
ममता से भरी तुझे छाँव मिली, जुग जुग जीना तू बाहुबली। है जहाँ विश्व और अमृत भी, मन वो मंथन स्थली।
ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಬಾಯಿ, ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೈ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಬಾಯಿ, ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಣ್ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಾಲ್, ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಣ್ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಾಲ್. ಅಂಗೈಲಿದೆ ಆನಂದದ ಈ ಸೋಜಿಗ, ನನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಳು ಬಾಳ ತುಂಬ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸು
तुगेल थिना चेडूआ खातीर तूं कशी एअरफोर्साचे जॉब सोड HALांत जॉब घेतले, आमगेले एज्युकेशनाक प्रायोरिटी दिवन रायट. आमी खंयचे स्कूल इयर मिस करना म्हूण सांगून तूं HALांत जॉब घेतले. आनी आमी तिन्न लोक उलयता उरताचे कशी तूं आनी आईन आमगेल खातीर इतलो टू कष्टपण आमकां हांग हाडले टू मेक अस हू वी आर रायट. सो गायत्री, डॉक्टर गायत्री सॉरी, आणि हांव being here, then Girish having his own company, right? आमकां तिन्न लोकांक by God's grace we had a very good guidance and direction from you. आज भी तूं even day before yesterday तूं आमगेल खातीर मेगेल खातीर ते घरा लागीं वचून you've done all that by staying there for 4 hours. I can only pray God that म्हाका हांव 80 जालें तेन्ना तुगेल तितले स्ट्रेंथ, तुगेल तितले पेशन्स उरका. आनी तूं स्ट्रगल कितले केल्ले तितले स्ट्रेंथ म्हाका मेळका टू मेक श्योर दॅट म्हाका ते स्ट्रेंथान तुगेल ग्रँड किड्स मूव फॉरवर्ड रायट. ऑल ऑफ युअर ग्रँड किड्स, माय किड्स, गायत्रीज किड्स, गिरीश's kids, to become more than what we are with your blessings and your guidance. So इतले तू कष्ट केले. I wanted to bring back that topic again, right? बालनगरांत असलतेन आमी how we were in that 1-bedroom house, right? तुगेले cycle and kitchen, everything in one, and the other side we had beds put together. I mean tables sangche amgel mathematics sakatera, right? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 1 to 20 tables sangche, just to make us mathematically strong. तूं आमकां येतलो तुगेले सायकलार वच्चे आमी सान आसतना, आनी लॅम्बी स्कूटर रायट कडेन आमी HL मूव जाले, आनी थंय ट्रिपल्स गेल्ले याद आसा आमकां. केन्ना ಒಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ वचसले तेन्ना गिरीश आनी काय तरी मुखार वचसले, हांव मदीं बसचें आनी आई यूज्ड टू सिट इन द बॅक. सो यू नेवर मेड अस फील दॅट वी लॅक्ड एनीथिंग. तूं केन्ना आमकां आशिल्ल ओट्टो आमगेले आसा म्हण आमकां फिलींग दिल्लें. सो यू मेड अस फील लायक वी ऑलवेज वॉट यू हॅव इज शुड बी सफिशियंट. आनी तुगेले ते आदर्श, तुगेले ते थॉट्स, कीपिंग द रिलेशनशिप्स एक्टिव, हाउ टू बिहेव प्रोफेशनली, रायट? रिलेशन्स ओटू करून उरचे ते आमकां कितले शिकयले, ते करता आयले आमी. And I've been using those guidelines from you to keep up my relationships here as well. So thank you so much to Itlottu Kellaka. Ami mast itle accomplish kelle is because of you and I. And even in HAL when we were there, I mean we were like a family within the families, right? Township anta. You made it possible even there by ensuring that we keep up relationships with everyone around in the B type. All the other 5 families in the 6 homes which we were in that one single block, right? So great times. Your friends made it much more nicer along your journey to ensure they are here to help us out, right? Srinivas Rao uncle, Somshekar uncle, we had Dasharath uncle or Kumar. All of them made us feel like a huge family only because of you being there in the forefront for us. So
ರಕ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳ ಮೀರಿದ ಬಂಧವಿದು, ಯಾವ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧಿಸುವುದು, ಚಾಚಿ ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿದಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ನೋವನ್ನು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಬೆಸೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆವ ಎಂದು.
Mr. Pai.
Mr. Pai, wish you a 80 happy birthday.
From Y. Subbarao.
Malina,
From Y. Subbarao.
wish you happy birthday to you.
Dear Pai, good evening. Wish you a very happy and healthy 80th birthday. May you enjoy many more beautiful days ahead. I hope your 80th birthday is filled with love and joy from family and your friends, unforgettable moments and also never-ending happiness. You and Mrs. Pai are blessed to have wonderful kids who makes your happiness is their priority. And I wish to meet you soon and raise a toast. Happy birthday once again.
Pai, you are completing 80 years. May God bless you for to make century. We are remembering those good olden days when we are in HAL quarters, early morning walk. Still we are continuing, but in different places. You are there, I am here, but our thoughts and memories are still continuing. May God bless you to make century for you, good health and wealth. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Mr. Pai and Gyanakaram Rao.
I came to know that on this month 27th is your birthday. I actually want to come to you in person and wish you, but due to the COVID-19 constraints, I am not in a position to meet you in person. I wish you a happy and healthy birthday, and in this function I want to convey few memories of mine with you during our HAL services. First main thing is when my son appeared for entrance examination at Little Flower College, Uppal, to know the results, you and Mr. Parnaswamy taken me in an auto to college and brought back me to my house. Second memorable thing is whenever you go to Air Force canteen for your household articles purchases, you used to take me on your scooter.
Hello, good evening. I'm Dr. Dikshit here. I want to wish you a very happy birthday. It gives me a great pleasure to wish you on your 80th birthday, and I hope you'll celebrate many more like this. I also wish to pray God to bless you and your family with good health and happiness. Thank you.
नमस्कार पैमान.
नमस्कार पैमान.
हांव अशोक आनी अश्विनी आम्ही तुका विशेष करता आसत. मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
तुमगे 80 इयर्स सेलिब्रेशन बरे जावं, सक्सेस जावं आणि बरे सेलिब्रेशन बरे एन्जॉय करा. आणि आमकां थंय येवच्या जाल्यार म्हणून भारी बेजार जाता आसा. आणि तुम्ही हांगा हैदराबाद आसतना आमकां भारी बरे जात आशिल्ले. आम्ही तुमच्या घरा येचे येवची म्हण सांगल्यार आमकां गांवां गेले शेत आशिल्ले, भारी बरे येत आशिल्ले, खुशीन येत आशिल्ले. आनी आमी खंयचेय फंक्शन जाल्यार बी तुमकां आपयत आशिल्ले, इन्वायट करता आशिल्ले. तूं खुशीन खुशीन येत आशिल्लो. आमगे चेडा बर्थडे पुरा तुवें मस्त विशेष केल्ले आसा. आनी तुमगेल्या घरा खंयचेय फंक्शन जाल्यार बी आमी येत आशिल्ले. तुमगे चेडा पुरा बरे रितीन आमकां बी रिस्पेक्ट दित आशिल्ले. सगळे लोक भारी खुशीन आमी हांगा एन्जॉय करता आसले. बरे पार्टी करचे जावं खंयचेय करचे आसल्यार बी आमी बी तुमगेल्या घरा येत आशिल्ले, तुमी बी आमच्या घरा येत आशिल्ले, एन्जॉय करता उरता आशिल्ले. भारी बरे येत आशिल्ले. जावं तुमी बरे जावं.
Once again, happy
birthday to you.
Many
happy returns of the day.
ಹಾಯ್ ಪೈಮಾಮ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪी बर्थडे पैमाम. खरेची तुका 18 इयर्स कंप्लीटेड जाल्ले म्हळ्यार आमकां नमगूच येदाय ना पैमाम. खरेची 18 की 80 की म्हूण कळतना आता. खरे तू मस्त ग्रेट पैमाम. तू बॉडी मेंटेन केलेली बरेकाची. आणि कसन खांगची तुगल बघे तू मस्त छान मनूशो. हांगे चला आसतना आम्यानी तुम्ही कशी आशिल्ली म्हळ्यार एक फ्रेंडशिप सी नाशिल्लींची आमी एक रिलेशन म्हणके आमी मेंटेन केला. तशी आमी अशी आशिवया. आणि कन सांगता पळय मग तुका आयुष्य आरोग्य पुरा देव बरें छान करो म्हणून आमी मागताची. सदा तू हसता उरय, तू हसता आसता इतलेंची. ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಳು ನೀನು 100 ವರುಷ ಎಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹರುಷ ಹರುಷ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದ ಶುಭ ದಿನದಿ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯು. इतले सांगताची पैमा. वन्स अगेन विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे. मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. हांगा तुका न्हू पांय पडत पैमा. नमस्कार.
बरो आशीर्वाद कर आमकां.
This is just that I want to really share with you is some memories of mine with Balkur, which are really very important for me in my life because the memories what to bare imbibe jala mere life abitara. It's like very important. Every year ami Balkur ottashile, Balkur ochunge na otto lokalagi melche. The memories must important for me because I think I cannot do this again, repeat it again, unfortunately. How palela you as not only my dad, I have appreciated Papa, I have seen you as a person who has given relationship pak must importance dila tumhe. You have been always a family person, giving importance to us most importantly, and also giving importance to tugil family, tugil moola Balkur anta ottu lokang bhava bhaina tangal ottu lokale kashi tu relationship maintain kar ka kashi contact avange kaate ottu ha tugil kadchan khare sikla. They must important and I think it is really needed as a family person. बळकुरा कोच गेल तेन्ना मांतूल तू कितलो वरी करता आशिल्लो भैरव मांतुले तागेले हेल्थ आनी इकडे शंकर मांतुले आनी रमक्का ಅವರು ಗಂಗಕ್ಕ ಅವರು ಒಟ್ಟು ಲೋಕಲಾಗಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ कशी मेंटेन करून घेवचे आमी केन्ना बळकूर गेले तेन्ना ಒಟ್ಟು ಲೋಕಲಾಗಿ एक राउंड मारता आशिल्ले अप्पेकालागी वचूंगेन म्हाका आतां याद आसा पणसा हप्पल आनी च्या पिवचे फोव खावचे गोड फोव खावचे कडेर मंकी वचूंगे नीलक्का लागी मेळगेन येवचे ಹೊಳಗದ್ದೆ वचून रमक्का भावजी लागी मेळ्ळेत आशिल्ले सागर गंगक्का आनी विलास रेखा राजू दादा लागी टाइम स्पेंड करगेन येवचे ಒಟ್ಟು लोकांक मेळगेन येता आशिल्ले म्हाका चंद्रकला दीदी लग्न कल्पना अक्का लग्न ಒಟ್ಟು लोकल याद आसा म्हाका ते ಒಟ್ಟು लोकां लागी टाइम स्पेंड करगेन कशी आमी रिलेशनशिप ते बिल्ड केला तांगे सांगते आय थिंक वी हॅव लर्न्ड इट व्हेरी मच फ्रॉम यू अँड आई तू नॉट ओनली तुवें इंपॉर्टन्स तुगेल फॅमिलीक मात्र दिलें ना तुगेल सायड मूळ बळकुराक मात्र न्ही आईल फॅमिलीक बी कशी रिलेशनशीप दवरून घेवचे ते ಒಟ್ಟು तुवें मस्त इंपॉर्टंटली दवरून घेतला अँड आय एप्रिशिएट इट अँड आय थिंक वी हॅव ऑल लर्न अ लिटल बिट ऑफ इट फ्रॉम यू समर ಅಂತ म्हाका आतां बी आसा बळकुराक गेले तेन्ना होळेमा आसतना आई आमकां तीन लोकांक मॅनेज करचें जायनाशिल्लें म्हणगेन गिरीशाक घेवन वता आशिल्ली एकलीचे ಒಟ್ಟು कडेन आनी म्हाका आनी दादाक होळेमा लागीं सोडून वता आशिल्लें हांव रडचे वेळार होळेमा रड नाक गो पोरा म्हणगेन ते कसले स्वीट्स करून दिवचे खाडी साकर दिवचे खावंगेन ते म्हाका मस्त याद येता पापा आय रियली मिस दोज टायम्स विथ होळेमा अँड ऑल दोज बळकूर डेज म्हाका मस्त याद येता I hope we all can be at least, at least a part of what you have, how you have done with your family as a brother, with brothers and sisters. The relationship तुम्ही कशी मेंटेन केला, तांका हेल्प जाऊ, एडवाइस जालतेन तू कशी मुखार येऊंगे ना, जालतितली केला तुम्ही. घर रेनोवेट करचे, बळकुरान आमगे मूळ घर रेनोवेट करचे, इतले इम्पॉर्टंट ते तू इतले एफर्ट घेऊंगे ते केल्ले ते हांव आय कॅनॉट टेल यू तू इतले दूर उनगे ना ते फॉलोअप करून घेवचे कसले प्रॉब्लेम घराचे लँडाचे कसले बळकुरांतले मिल्ला प्रॉब्लेम उरूं कसले कोणाले प्रॉब्लेम उरल्यार तू तांकां एप्रोच करून घेना कशी सॉर्ट आउट करता ते पळयला तुवें अँड आय थिंक दॅट इज समथींग वीच इज यू शूड बी रियली प्राऊड अँड वी आर प्राऊड ऑफ ऑफ वॉट यू हॅव डन अँड आय होप वी कॅन बी एटलीस्ट one little bit of it whatever you have done. I hope that thing we can also get in our lives and in we will get that opportunity or we should be at least that much of what you have done. With just remembering those memories, I have something that I would like to show you coming after I finish. I would like to cherish all these memories that you have had with everyone, each and every one of them. So just have a look at this surprise and enjoy your day, Papa. Love you, Papa. Take care.
ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಮನಗಳು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಮನೆಯಂತೆ
ಮನಗಳು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಮನೆಯಂತೆ
ತುಂಬಿದ ಮನೆಯವನೇ ಧರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವಿನ ದೊರೆಯಂತೆ ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
तुगे बरे बसता केले रे देव तुका बरोबर करू देव तुका बरें करता कितें रे कुतू उलय आतां आयकत नाही तुका तुका बरें करो तुका बर्ताड केली कितें रे मिगेल बर्ताड आज जाली मिगे जुगे न जाला म्हाका केली
मामा हांव विणा आनी मिगेल गोव आनी आमगेल चैत्रा ಒಟ್ಟು लोक मेळून तुका ಹುಟ್ಟು हब्बाचे हार्दिक शुभाशय करताची आनी कसं म्हळ्यार तुवें म्हाका सान आसतना केल्ली तो मोगू तूं राजा पांयार बसून खावयलें पिवयलें हें हांव केन्ना विसरना मामा आमगेल संबंदिकाक तूं एक आदर्श व्यक्ती जावन मुखार आसा म्हूण म्हाका दिसता आसा आनी अशी तूं मुखार आमगेल संबंदिकाक आदर्श व्यक्ती जावन उरका आनी तुगेलो आशिर्वाद आमकां सर्वांक जावका आनी हे तुगेलो वाडदिवसाचे संदर्भार हांव तुका हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू मामा म्हणटा आनी तुवें एक नंबर एवरग्रीन माम तुमगेलो केन्ना केस आनी कळो बिळो कोरेन एवरग्रीन माम तो एकदम सुपर मामाक सुपर शुभाशय
हॅलो मामा हॅपी बर्थडे नमस्कार
तुगेलो हे वाडदिवसाक तुगेले तुका सदृढ आयुष्य आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य सगळं सौभाग्य आमगेल कामाक्षी दिवन मुखार बरी करो म्हूण सांगून हांव आमगेल कामाक्षी लागीं देही म्हूण मागता मामा
Hello, Mama. Wish you happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama. 80 वर्षाचे हॅपी बर्थडे मामा. मामा तुका 80 वर्षाले आज हॅपी बर्थडे करून भारी खुशी जाता. हॅपी बर्थडे विश करून भारी खुशी जाली मामा म्हाका. मामा हांवें तुगेले खंयच्योय विशय सांगल्यारीची बरो विशय जेवो वायट विशय जेवो खंयच्यो विशय सांगल्यारीची म्हाका तूं ताजे बद्दल खंयचें एक सांगताशिलो अशी कर गो तशी कर गो तशी सांगता तुवें अशी उलोवका तुवें म्हण म्हणटाशिलो त्या प्रकार आज करून गेली न्हू आज हांवें ह्या स्टेजार येवन पावलें मामा. म्हाका तुवें लग्ना पयले हैदराबाद आपोवन व्हेलें मामा. हैदराबाद आपोवन व्हर गेलें म्हाका 1 म्हयनो तूं राबोवन घेतलें. 1 म्हयनो राबोवन घेतलें न्हय आसतना म्हाका थंय कसकसन भोंवका खंय खंय तूं दाखोवका सर्वीतलें दाखयलें तें न्हय आसतना म्हाका एक दिवस तूं जू कापून व्हेलें. मामी हांव तूं चलू विठल मामा बायल आमी इतले लोक करून गेलो जू पळोवचे गेले. जू पळोवचे वचले आमी पलाव करून व्हेल्लो थंय पलाव एक कडेन बसून घेवन खाव घेवलो आनी आमी कितले वेळ थंय आसा पळय थंय पुरा खेळ घेवलो थंय भोंवन घेवलो संजे 5 गंटेर आयले मामा आमी. म्हाका खुशी जाता कशी म्हळ्यार तूं इतलें म्हाका भोंवडयलें खंयी कोणागेर लेगीत राबल्यार म्हाका इतलें खूश जाता तशी की ना की म्हाका तुगेले गेल्ले राबचे देखून भारी खुशी जाली. म्हगेर कात्यायनी तुगेले कावेर कामाक्षी तुका आरोग्य आयुश्य सर्व दिवन बरें कर मामा. आमगेले फेवरेट माम जावन उर तूं हाजे मुखार बरें कर तशी जावन उरका तुवें म्हणून हांव तुगेले मागता देवाले बी मागता.
Wish you happy 80th birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Buddha. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you.
God bless you. जीवेत शरदं शतं 100 वर्ष विश यू मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. 80 वर्षाचे जालेले आरोग्यान आयुष्य दिवन देवान संतोषान आरोग्यान समाधानीन जीवन करशी देव चलो मुंजावा हेमाल करा पुतमा आय पडता. नमस्कार. बंद करो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Putmam.
Happy birthday, Putmam.
I hope this birthday is amazing and rocking for you, Putmam. Physically, you're jaina because of all the COVID, but enjoy. Happy birthday, Putmam, once again.
Bye.
देव तुका बरे करो हा तुका दीर्घायुष्य आशीर्वाद मिळेला.
हाय मामा पाय पडत तुका आज तुगेलो 80 वर्षात बर्थडे मेगेल आणि मेगे फॅमिली कडच्यान तुका हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि देव तुका अशी आरोग्य आयुष्य देऊन तू 100 वर्ष उरका 100 वर्षा बर्थडे आम्ही ग्रँड करया ऑटो. आणि दुसरी म्हणजे तू एक जेंटलमॅन असा मेगेल बऱ्याक वायटाक तू म्हाका बरें मार्गदर्शन दिल्लें आसा अशी तू म्हाका मुखार मार्गदर्शन दिव का आणि तू आरोग्य आयुष्य तुगेलें बरें जाव का हें देवाले प्रार्थना मेगेली.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ವಿಷ್ಣಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ವಿಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಅಬ್ಬು. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಮಂತು. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಬ್ಬು.
ಪುತ್ಮಾಮನಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲಿ.
नमस्कार पुतमाम. मागेले अम्मा माक आणि मागेले अज्जाक पुत्त जावनु भिण्यांचे डोमांकनी पुत्तमाम जावनु तशीची व्यंकटरमण पै कुटुंबाक आधारस्तंभ जावनु 80 संवत्सर पूर्ण केल्या. अशीची हजीकिंत विजृंभणारी तुगेल्या 100 वर्षाचे जायदीसोरी करता सौभाग्य आमकां मेळ्ळो.
हॅपी बर्थडे पुतमाम.
हॅपी बर्थडे पुतमाम.
हॅपी बर्थडे पुतमाम. वी ऑल लव यू.
हाय विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे विष्णू मामा. आणि तुमगेले आशीर्वाद आमकां केन्ना उरका. तुमगेले व्यक्तित्व आमकां केन्ना आदर्श जालेलें आसा. तुमकां दीर्घायुष्य जावन तुमगेले आयुष्य आरोग्य देव दिवो म्हणून हांव आमी देवाक प्रार्थना करताची. वन्स अगेन विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे.
सगळ्याला हळबटी कुटुंबाच्या तर्फीच्या ना पुतमामाक बर्थडेचे कतर आमच्या सगळ्यांचे नमस्कार. आम्ही हे सगळं जमील किती की म्हळे रे पुतमामाला 80 वर्षाच्या बर्थडेच्या सेलिब्रेशन कतर सगळ्यांच्या तर्फेच्या त्यांना बर्थडेच्या आर्थिक शुभेच्छा. आणि आम्ही देवाकडे मागतो की कामाक्षी ताका 100 वर्षाचे आयुष्य आरोग्य देऊन सगळ्यांचं देव बरोबर. विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे. हॅपी बर्थडे पुतमा.
Hi Putmam. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
हाय पप्पा नमस्कार. विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे.
हाय पप्पा नमस्कार. तुका 80 वर्ष जाल म्हणून खुशी जाले. देव आरोग्य आयुष्य बरे दवरनो देव बरो करो. विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे.
हाय अबू. विश यू मेनी मोर हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
Hi Abu. Wish you happy birthday.
Hi Abu. Wish you happy birthday.
Hi Abu. Wish you happy birthday. Wish you happy birthday.
हाय पुतबाप्पा नमस्कार. तुका 80 वर्ष जन्म खुशी जाले. विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे.
Wish you happy birthday.
Hi Abu. Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
हाय पप्पा विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे.
Hi Abu. Wish you happy birthday. My heartly wishes for you.
Hi Putmappa. Happy birthday to you.
हॅलो पप्पा आराम नाही. तुका 80 वर्ष जाले म्हणून ऐकून खुशी जाले. दीर्घायुष्य देऊन उर म्हणून देवाला मागून घेता. हॅपी बर्थडे. हा
हाय अबू. हाय अम्मा. उठला का नमस्कार. अबू तुमगे जन्मदिवसाचे शुभाशय मी कडन. हॅपी बर्थडे वन्स अगेन.
Hi Abu. Many happy returns of the day.
Hi Abu. Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
विष्णुना तुगेले 80 वर्षाचे हुಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ आमगेले शुभाशय. तुका देव आयुष्य आरोग्य देऊन बरं करून चोरून देऊ.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Wish you happy birthday Abu. Wish you happy birthday Abu.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಮಂತು.
ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಮಂತು.
80ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು मंतू. तू कसकसन मनातल्या क्लाकी त्या वट्टू पडो तसं जावं म्हणून सांगून देवाने मागता. तशी तुका 100 वर्ष आयुष्य आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य कसकसन तुका जाव का की त्या पुरा देव दिव म्हणून सांगून तुका देवाने मागता.
हॅपी बर्थडे
अब्बू म्हण.
हॅपी बर्थडे अबू.
हॅपी बर्थडे मंतू.
हॅपी बर्थडे मंतू.
ಅಣ್ಣ ತುಗಿಲೆ 80 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಐಕೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ದೇವು ಸರ್ವದೃಷ್ಟಿನ ಬರೆಯ ಕುಂಚಲು ಅಂಶನು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಮಾಗಲಿಂಗ್ करता.
तुमगे ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ ಶುಭಾಶಯ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಹಾಯ್. 80ನೇ वर्षाचे शुभाशय. देव तुमकां आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य बरें करून देव. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
हॅपी बर्थडे मंतू. हाय मंतू, विश यू हॅपी बर्थडे. तुमकां देव मस्त बरे आरोग्य शांती नेಮ್ಮದಿ दवरू आणि केन्ना हासता उराची. हॅपी बर्थडे वन्स अगेन.
Hi Mantu, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
You have maintained yourself very, very well, and really, I mean, what a symbol of staying healthy and happy always. I mean, you're a reference for every young individual on how one can stay very healthy and happy, right? Bappa, you are one of the role models for everybody, your kids, your brothers, your sisters, and their children. It very well reflects on the number of wishes you have got from them. You would have seen those wishes till now, and then it also reflects a lot of love, respect, and affection they have on you, right? Coming to us, the 3 G's, the amount of struggle you and I have gone through to bring all of us, while making sure that while you bring that up, while you were going through that struggle, you always made sure that you brought us up with the best manners, and also taught us to be a very good human being, right? They say that your behavior reflects in your upbringing, and at every stage of our life, we were and are given love, respect because of this upbringing. And I'm so very glad that you are inculcating the same same in your grandchildren. Aditi and Anika are so very blessed to have you around them, and now you're not only the mentor and teacher for Aditi and Anika, but also actually a role model, right? Aditi loves you so very much. It's just so much of love, affection, and respect for you that she will not tolerate, right, even a thing against you. I mean, if I, kind of intentionally, fight with you, she first comes and supports you, irrespective of the situation, irrespective of, you being naughty and, trying to kind of, fight with me. She still, goes and supports you, right? I still remember those tough days where you had to manage 4 different establishments in parallel. Myself in being in Davangere, Dada was in Hassan, Gayatri was in Dental College Bangalore, and you people were in Hyderabad. I'm sure those were some of the difficult days, and some of those days went till, I would say, 2001, during recession time, when we were struggling still, and I was still kind of waiting for my company to call me after my campus recruitment, right? I believe, I strongly believe, right, those were one of the toughest times that we had gone through, and and we have come out with flying colors, and I think so because of the grill, because of that hard because of those hard times, we are what we are today, right? What's the best part? Best part is today we are more like best friends here, right? Than having a father and son relationship, right? We party hard and we discuss on many things, we debate on many things. I get many inputs from you and directions from you, right from discussing on my company problems, challenges, children education, and many other things, right? And the amount of support that you've given and the directions that you give, it's just amazing. I really love you, Papa. You are the best friend I have with me. Right. Coming to the one point, and it just reminds me, and this is on a lighter note, right? Just changing the context. One of the best things when things I love when you cook, it's the chicken sukka, and the most favorite is that the brown junko that you made at Hyderabad when I was not around, right? So when are you making it next? I'm eagerly waiting for that brown junko experience once again, right? So thank you, Papa and Ai, for whatever struggle and hard work that you did for us, and whatever we have achieved today, personally, professionally, is because of your love, affection, and immense struggle and hard work that you both have gone through. You have stood very strong by my side, and specifically when I had to take this decision of quitting my company and start something of my own. You kind of gave me that particular confidence, motivation, saying that, hey Girish, don't worry, go ahead, this is the best time that you should jump into entrepreneurship. Don't think too much, just jump. And those were actually the motivating factors for me to just jump in and take that plunge into entrepreneurship. It's almost like I would say 4.5 years now since the time I quit. I think we have quite well settled, after taking that particular plunge. And that decision has not only helped me professionally but personally. The amount of time I could spend with Aditi, Anika, Vidya at home, I think this is one of the best decisions I've taken along with your support. Thank you very much. One thing that always actually amazes me is your futuristic thought, and your thought process is always futuristic. You're always different from the people of your generation, and really that amazes me, right? So I just wanted to say this again. Whatever we have achieved today, both personally and professionally, and what we'll be achieving going further, right? It will be all because of you and I, Papa. So love you lots, love you and I lots and lots. And here is a small surprise to you from the Kemanical family, where they are showering their love and best wishes to you.
ಹಲೋ ಬಾವುಜಿ, 80ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಬಾವುಜಿ, ಪಾಯ್ ಪಡ್ತಾ.
ವಿಷ್ಣು ಬಾವುಜಿ, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಬಾವುಜಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ 80th ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. 80th ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಬಾವುಜಿ, ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು.
विष्णू भाऊजी, हॅपी 80th बर्थडे टू यू. अगदी फिट असतो भाऊजी. अशी तू देवाला राहणार, अशी ओरगी ना सेंचुरी मार्कतोय. देव बरं.
Wishing you a very happy 80th birthday, Babaji.
Wishing you many happy and healthy years ahead.
Hello, Bauji. Many happy returns of the day, Bauji. Wish you happy 80th birthday. 80 वर्षाच्या वाढदिवसाच्या शुभाशयಗಳು भाऊजी. केन्या खुशी जाऊन, आराम जाऊन, फिट जाऊन और भाऊजी. देव बरो करू. Once again wish you happy 80th birthday.
Hello Vishnu Bauji, happy 80th birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday and have fun.
Happy 80th birthday.
Yeah, send us all of your pictures with your family when you celebrate your birthday. Yeah. Many happy returns of the day again.
Okay.
Have fun. Yeah.
Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care.
हॅपी बर्थडे विष्णू. देव बरें करो, अशी आरोग्यशीर राखून घे आणि तुगेलच्या रात्राक बायलेक ओट्टू बरें जावं.
Hello Vishnu Bauji, many happy returns of the day. I can't believe you are 80. हांव तुमगे लग्न आयल उगडास म्हाका आनी जिलेबी खाल्ले 1 hour. हांव सार आशिल्लें तेन्ना पण I still remember it very vividly. And you are one of those people who look very young and young at heart as well. And my best wishes. Anu joins me, so as I, Vidya, Vinod and our children in wishing you all the very best. I pray for your good health and well-being. My best wishes again. Many happy returns.
Happy birthday Vishnu Bauji. Have a wonderful year ahead. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday Bauji. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vishnu Bhavaji. Happy birthday to you. Vishnu Bhavaji, have a very good day and an excellent year ahead of you. Wish you a really happy birthday for your milestone 80th birthday.
3.
हॅपी बर्थडे विष्णू बाबूजी. हांव सारटोगांतल्यान गेलें, परत आनी येलेच्यान करतेस तुका. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू.
Happy birthday Vishnu Bhavaji from all of us here in LA.
Many happy returns of the day Vishnu Bhavaji.
Wish you good health, peace and happiness and all through your rest of your life.
Lots of love.
Lots of love. See you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello Vishnu Bhavaji. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you lots of health and happiness always.
Dear Vishnu Bhavaji, wish you happy birthday and wish you very good health and happiness.
Happy birthday to you, Bhauji. Happy birthday to you, Bhauji.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Bhauji. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Aditi's Abu. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Bhauji.
I sing this song to you for dreams that can come true and for each day to bring a greater song to sing. My birthday wish for you comes deep from ocean's blue. love sent from heaven's light to celebrate your life with you. Your life with you. Your family and close friends all soon arrive, thanking you for the love you bring to their lives. The words that are spoken should be no surprise to a wonderful person with love in their eyes. And when the lights dim low and the candles glow, loved ones gather round to sing your song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. May all your dreams and your wishes in life come true. We celebrate your birthday, your very special birthday. For the world is a better place since knowing you. Sha-la-la-la-la, happy birthday. Sha-la-la-la-la, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you.
Hello, Papa. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. It's been 10 years in this house, and I remember those sweet memories just after marriage. I used to come from office, and evenings you would spend going through all the albums. You would just show me the photos about each family member, how much difficult तुमगे स्कूलिंग आसलें, तुम्हें कितली दूर चमकूच आशिल्लें, आनी तुम घोड्या मान कितले कश्ट कान घेवन होड केल्लें, तुम नीला कान कितले चंदुकान घेवन पडून घेवचें आशिल्लें. So it was a pleasure to listen to all those, and I still enjoy those story sessions with you. And after marriage, खंयचे चली चललीची के भय उरता, तेमी कसन सम करता की ना की, they have to understand people, their likes, dislikes, and adjusting also becomes sometimes difficult. And म्हाका बी तें पुरो भय आशिल्लें, but I still remember you always stood like a wall between me and all my discomforts. Just like a dad, you tried to make things easy for me. You encouraged me, you made me feel loved, and you used to make me realize how I am part of this family just like anybody else is. I really, really want to thank you for all that today. You always know when I'm stressed, when I'm overloaded with work. You know how you can help me even before I tell you anything. So I always tell Girish actually that Papa is my stress buster. He's like a peacemaker at home, and whenever he's in home, this house is like heaven. So the way you balance things and take everybody along, I don't think any other person can do it. You are not only a dad for only your 3 kids, but you have always been and will be a dad for me as well. Papa, I'm not a great speaker, and probably I can't convey every other thanks for every other thing that you have done for me so far. So I just took an effort and penned down few lines for you as a token of my love and respect for all the things that you have done for me and for all these years. So I hope you like it. Papa, not only a father or a father-in-law, you have been an amazing grandfather as well. The beloved avo to their kids, and तुम्ही ते उलोच tone and the affection actually reflect करता. You are like a Pied Piper for them. Tam kasan bhi jayuru. I have seen Aditi, Anika, Nihira, Tanmay, your Shreyu. all the kids are just behind their Abu. So that tells how pure your love is for kids, and it doesn't have any limits. And the amount of patience that you bear. तुम्ही ते सावकाश जावन घेवना तिती लेगी आनिका लेगी उरलोचे तांकां बरें बरें शिकून दिवचें खंयच बरें खंयच वायट लोकांनी कशें चलका कशें उलोवका हाव वी हेव टू बिहेव इन अ सोसायटी I should actually say that is like my kids are really blessed to have this opportunity to spend their childhood with you. And it's not only that they are lucky, I think I'm lucky more than them, because they are being brought up in such a good environment. तांकां बरे गुण मात्र नाही तांकां एक संस्कार बरे तुम्ही शिकून दिता आसता which is very important these days. So I always say तुम्ही तांगेल आबू मात्र नाही तुम्ही तांगेल टीचर mentor, a friend, genie who make all their wishes come true. म्हाका आतां बरें याद आसा ती कसन जाय जाल्यार बी तेण वचून पयलीं आपूण कान्ना म्हणचें आनी तेणें म्हाका कांय बी सांगचें नाशिल्लें तेका टिफीन घालका जाल्यार आपूण घालका आशिल्लें तेका स्कुला हाडचें पुरा करचें जाल्यार आपूण मात्र करका आशिल्लें. एंड इट वॉज सो ऑब्वियस that if 2 days तुमी गांवा गेलेले वय जाल्यार the teacher would really ask that if her Apu is fine and where is her Apu, and if we ask why they are asking that question, they would literally tell and rather have told that only when Abu comes to pick and drop they see that happiness in Aditi's face, else she's not that cheerful in class. So that says the true bond that you share with the kids. Even तानी मात्र नाही, इवन इन बडकुरा पडला तानी वटू आमी गांवा गेल तेन म्हणते उरता ती तुम्ही तांकां तुमगेल पुरा नॅचरल गाणी सांगता उरतात काय आनी तांणी तांकां तुमी कसने जाय म्हळे वळे यू डोंट टेल एनीथिंग दॅट यू लायक बट यू ऑलवेज टेल दॅट माय अदिती लायक्स दिस, माय नीरा लायक्स दिस. सो ऑलवेज गेट दोज थिंग्स डन फ्रॉम काकी. And म्हाका आत्तां जाल्यार बी याद आसता तुमी लास्ट टायम USA गेलेले तेन्ना things were difficult here. Anika was small, but still our Aditi started falling sick very often. तिकेन पडलेली सकाळी उठून वोंगचें पोट बरनाचें माथें दुखचें आनी she gone through all small little problems, but somehow she was not fine. But the day you came back and you were here in Bangalore, I think from that day she hasn't taken any medicine. She became fine on her own. So that says that Apu is their doctor for all their sorrows. He is the medicine for all their problems. You are the most handsome prince they have ever met, and you are like the role model they look forward to. You are the greatest influencer that they have in their lives. Anything you say right becomes right for them. Whatever you say wrong becomes wrong for them. You mean the world to them. And that is, I think that's why my kids are way too very lucky to have such kind of a person in their lives. And nowadays I have seen that even when me and Girish are occupied with work, you are the one who always they reach out to, and they are like not bored, or still they are happy, I should say. It's only because you are there with them, and you spend that much amount of time with them, and your affection that is clearly visible in their activities. So on this occasion of your 80th birthday, let's see what all your darling grandchildren have to say about their Abu. Watch out.
मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही.
ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನನ್ನ ಲೋಕ ನೀನೆ ಎಂದಿಗೂ. ಈ ಕನಸಲಿ ದಿನವು ಸುರಿಸಿದೆ ಒಲವು ನಗುತ್ತಲೀ ನೀನು. ಈ ಮನಸಲಿ ನೆಲಿವು ಬದುಕಲಿ ಗೆಲುವು ತರುತ್ತಲೀ ನೀನು. ಉಸಿರೇ ನನದಾಗಿ ನೀನಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊರಡ ದನಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಡಾಗುವೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನೀನೇ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವ ನನ್ನ ಭಾವ ನನ್ನ ಲೋಕ ನೀನೇ ಎಂದಿಗೂ.
Dear Abu, I wish you a happy 80th birthday and I wrote a nice poem for you. Dear Abu, I am happy that you are always by my side since I was born. You would teach both Aditi and me in Abu school. I remember the memories of us too and I never will forget them. And now I wish you a happy 80th birthday and a healthy and beautiful year. Från Nira. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Abu. Happy birthday to you.
ओके ओहो अंकल असं पळे मागील सायडान तू ही इज टेकिंग सम जीन्स फ्रॉम यू नो हू अँड ही इज बिकमिंग द अमिताभ बच्चन ऑफ द फॅमिली. आणि आम्ही सिंगल मॉल्ट जाल्ले राय पिवया नेक्स्ट टाइम. आणि प्रॉन्स आणि ओटू इज ओके बट वी शुड ईट अ वेल नेक्स्ट टाइम अंकल वेन यू हिट अ सेंचुरी. अँड कमिंग फ्रॉम माय सिटी बॉम्बे वेर वी अडोर पीपल लाईक तेंडुलकर. You need to hit a century. All right. Now I tell it to Amitabh Bachchan.
Happy birthday! Many happy returns today. So a very happy birthday.
Vishnu mom, happy birthday. Bye Partha. Wish you a grand and glorious 80th birthday. You have successfully navigated through 80 years of life. Enjoy this special day and prepare for many more. बार बार दिन ए आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, आप जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Vishnu mom. Happy birthday to you. Vishnu mom, तुमगेल्यान गायत्री मंत्र आसा, गौतम बुद्ध आसा, आनी सगळे तुमगे आवडचो आनी सांबाळ घेवन व्हरतलो प्रितीचो गिरीश आसा. गिरीश म्हळ्यार ईश्वर. आनी कसली काळजी कसली.
हॅपी बर्थडे विष्णू माम. तुमगेलं आरोग्य बरे उरो अशी ईश्वराकडे आम्ही मागणी करतात. नमस्कार करता.
हॅलो नमस्कार. तुमकां 80 वर्षाच्या जन्मदिवसाचे ಶುಭಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳು.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಪೈಮಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Pai Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you both healthy long life. ह्या संदर्भात आमकां बी एक अवकाश दिल्यासाठी तुम्हाला आशीर्वाद मागत असत आम्ही. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
Happy birthday, Vishnu Babaji.
ಬದುಕು ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧದ ಹಾಗೆ ಪರಿಮಳಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಸಿದಾಗ ಪಡೆಯುವ ಆನಂದವೇ ಈ ಪರಿಮಳ. ಇದೇ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಸುಖ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಬಳ್ಕೂರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪೈ ಅವರು. ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಳ್ಕೂರು ಇವರ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಊರು. ಇವರ ತಂದೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಪೈ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಪೈ. ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವರ್ಗದ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರ ಜನನ. ಮಡದಿ ಗೀತಾ. 3 ಮಕ್ಕಳು: ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ, ಗೌತಮ ಮತ್ತು ಗಿರೀಶ್. ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಮತ್ತು HAL ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಇವರದು. ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಕುಟುಂಬ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರುವುದೇ ಇವರ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ. ಇದುವೇ ಜೀವನದ ಸಾರ್ಥಕತೆ. ಹಿರಿಯ ಮಗ ಗೌತಮ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಮಡದಿ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೇಯ ಇವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ. ಕಿರಿಯ ಮಗ ಗಿರೀಶ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಇವನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಸ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯರ ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮಗ ಗಿರೀಶ ಮತ್ತು ಸೊಸೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾ. ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ತೊದಲ್ನುಡಿಗಳಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಟ ಪಾಠಗಳಿಂದ ಸಂತಸದ ಅಂಬುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಾಡಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದಿತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆನಿಕಾ. ಮಗಳು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದು ಪತಿ ನಿತೀಶ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಗ ತನ್ಮಯ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗಳು ನಿಹಿರ ಇವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ. 3 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡಿಸುವುದೇ ಇವರ ಜೀವನದ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಗುರಿಯ ಜತೆ ದೈವ ಕೃಪೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಖಾತರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪೈಯವರ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಜೀವನವೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ. ಸೇವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿನ ಬಿಡುವಿನ ವೇಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ MBA ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ಮಹಾ ಸಾಧನೆ ಪೈಯವರದು. ಸದಾ ಹಸನ್ಮುಖಿ. ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅತೀವ ಭಕ್ತಿ. ದಿನಂಪ್ರತಿ ದೇವರ ಪೂಜೆ ತಪ್ಪಿದಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂಜೆಯಿಂದ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಂಗಮ. ಭಗವಂತನ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯೇ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಸೋಪಾನ. ಇವರು ಸ್ನೇಹಜೀವಿ. ಶುದ್ಧ ಸ್ನೇಹವೇ ಬದುಕಿನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಸಂಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ. ಆದರೂ ಇವುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡಿತ ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ನಿಶ್ಚಿಂತೆಯಿಂದ ಇರುವುದೇ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ ರಹಸ್ಯ. ಇದೇ ಪೈಯವರ ಜೀವನದ ಪರಮ ರಹಸ್ಯವೂ ಹೌದು. ಇವರೊಂದು ತುಂಬಿದ ಕೊಡ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನವೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಅತಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ. ಬೆಚ್ಚನ ಮನೆಯಾಗೆ ವೆಚ್ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊನ್ನಾಗೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆಯನ್ನರಿತು ನಡೆವ ಸತಿ ಇರೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಹಚ್ಚೆಂದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಇಂತಹ ಸುಂದರ ಕುಟುಂಬದೊಡನೆ ಸುಖ ಸಂತಸ ಗೌರವ ಮತ್ತು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಬಳ್ಕೂರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪೈಯವರು 79 ವಸಂತಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿ 80ರ ವಸಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಪರ್ವ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ದಯಾಮಯನಾದ ಭಗವಂತನು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ತನ್ನ ಕೃಪಾ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಶುಭ ಗಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Happy birthday, Vishnu Bhai Mom.
Happy birthday, Vishnu Aja.
Stop.
Hello, Papa. Happy 80th birthday to you. All the three of us wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hello, hero. Very, very happy birthday to you, Papa. I love you and I really miss you. I hope I could be there in this time. तो गोता सा मस्त महनशील माका येवचित हिया, but it is so unfortunate at this time. I hope July we can celebrate it in a really very cherishable way and make some.
Hello, Papa. Wish you a very, very happy 18th or 80th birthday. I'm still confused. You have maintained yourself very, very.
Hello, Papa. I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
ನೂರು ಜನ್ಮ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಾಳುವ ಜೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಎಲ್ಲೆ ನೀರಿದಾಗಲು ಪಯಣ ನಿಲ್ಲದು
ಜರೆವ ಜನರೆದುರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆರಳಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವೆ ಜಗದ ಕೊನೆ ಇರುವವರೆಗೂ ಬೆರಳ ನಾ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಯುವೆ
ಎಂದು ನಾವೆಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.